everyone, I'm Sneha and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sneha Scribbles. Today I am here with another video review, this time a book by Shivani Malhotra. This is a book about which I am going to talk about in this video review, Letters from a Dead Girl by Shivani Malhotra. The cover is intriguing. The first thing which will pique your curiosity about this book is its cover. The story starts with the suicide of Simran, which dies in weird circumstances, to say the least. Her roommate Sarah, her ex-boyfriend Razat, everyone is under interrogation. The mystery deepens when soon after the suicide of Simran, her brother Samar start receiving letters from her, and the letters also addressed to one of her friend and her father and her mother also. And what happened next is really cringe-worthy. The story is spread at four different places: Delhi, Pune, Goa, and New Zealand. We can see the glimpses of the scenic beauty of New Zealand when the protagonist Simran has gone to New Zealand along with her boyfriend Rajat. And it is a story of an independent girl who has dreams, who had ambition, and who has clear focus in her life. But what pushed her to take such a drastic step, and she ended her life? You have to read the story to find out more. The bond between the friends are also there, and the betrayal of friend is also there. So when you will read the story, you will have mixed feeling about friendship. Her ex-boyfriend, you can't decide whether he is culprit, whether he is guilty, or whether he is just a victim of circumstances. Her family life also plays an important role, which shaped her the way she was. And this story has deeper meaning and deeper themes, which then the simple her mother's mystery and all that, because it talks about the domestic violence, the effect of domestic violence on children, on a girl, on how it shaped her character. And also it talks about the love between two people, and whether love is enough to survive the relationship, or whether we need trust and all other things. You will when you will read this story, it will make you thought about it. I just put down the book and thought long and hard. The language used is really lucid and flawless. The narration is medium paced, we can say that, and sometimes it feels like dragging, but the things kept happening and keep you occupied all through the novel. I really love the way the character of Summer is portrayed in this novel, because he realized his fault, and he fought for justice for his sister, which is quite recommendable. And other characters are really are really good or too. The story is thought provoking, and I have given this book 4 by 5 star. And I really recommend this book, because in today's life we need more and more books like this, which will make you realize that how we can improve our thought process, and how we can fight with our problems, rather we just go and do suicide, which most of the youth nowadays opt for. And I please do read this book and share your views with us. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. And please like and comment and share this video as much as you can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.